Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your gym team over there. Today, guys, we want to go for another new mock-up. So, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like my video, share, and comment. Please and please subscribe. Okay. Now, open your Pixellab application. This is our last work, and this is what we will use today. Or let me check whether I still have a new project I can use for. Let me check, maybe I still have a new project. That's our last work. Okay, that is good. Okay, let's move on. Okay, let's try a new look today. Don't let us use this. Let's try a new look today. Delete this. I give you a new work today. Color, then change the color background. So import. Download this in the description below. I will leave it there. Don't worry. Download it there. Image. And Pixellab. Download this there. Don't worry. I don't even know this story. Okay, here is it. Download it in the description below. Download it in the description below. I want to erase something out here. It is very small. I can see it. Okay, here we go. Download it in the description below. So lock it, then video. Let's click. Yes, so let's change the font. Let's change the font. So this eye is good. Change the font. I don't like this font. Change the font. Download the logo in the description below. Change the font. Let's change the font. So change the color. Change the color to black. So now just type the name of the content here and just say Alex graphicsdesign. Okay, let's make it like this. Logo. Just type logo. Now change the font. I think this is okay enough. Okay, let's move. Now save it as PNG, transparent it, then save, export image, and then save to a gallery. Now open your Chrome. Open your Chrome, photopia.com. This is our last work, so this is a bring it for the new user. Okay, file, press file, open, download, then go to your download here. Extract your mockup file to your download, please. I've been saying this always, and please don't forget, select the mockup file, not my own work. Don't select if you select my own work, don't even open it. Reload your Chrome, reload your Photopia, then go back and select the normal one. So let's select this mockup today. Let's select this mockup. Let's select this mockup. Okay, load it. Wow, very good. Today, layer, smart objects, then open. After you open this, press file, open and replace, download. So select image here, in your Pixellab, select. So do the middle, then come here and delete this. So file, then press save smart object. It's loading invisible. We can't see it, but we all know it's loading. Loading. You have to wait. You got no idea. You have to wait. Loading. This time around we are on mockup. I will provide more mockup tutorials for you guys. I provide more tutorials about mockup. So if you don't care about, if you don't care about mockup tutorial, chat me. My group link is in the description below. Join and chat me. I will explain everything for you without collecting anything. So join my group and let's talk together. Loading. Loading. You have to wait, you get no idea. Done. So now press here. Already press it too, so you have to wait. I'm already pressed it, you have to wait. You get no idea, you just have to wait. The thing is still loading. Please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like my video, share and comment. Please and please subscribe. Please subscribe. If you are gaining something from this channel, please subscribe. Please. If you know you are gaining something from this channel, please subscribe. Please like my video, share and comment. Anytime I post my video, please repost. I'm going to get more views. Thanks for your support. My subscriber from 100 to 200, 300. Now I'm in 1090, so going to 1001. 1001 now. So I really appreciate you guys. Thanks for your support. Till I monetize, you give me support. I really appreciate it. So the mock-up is still loading. And if you want to know more about YouTube, you can also chat me. If you want to know more about YouTube to get monetized, to do other stuff, you can chat me. If you want to know more about mock-up, chat me. If you want to know more about YouTube, chat me. The mock-up is still loading. I've already played it once, so I already played it once, so we have to wait for it. The thing is still loading now. Here is our mock-up. Here is our mock-up. So file, export as PNG, then download it, save it. So now we review it. Let's review our mock-up. We have forgotten to change this color to black. So move together. That's it. You have already done with it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like my video, share and comment. Meet next tutorial with another hot cake.